Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're having a good day so far. It is August 31st, which is a Tuesday right now. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning, but I'm recording this, so these are the most recent information that I have for you guys. There isn't much. All we have is double bubble for Bitcoin Imminent. Mark Cuban is pumping Doge again, and then we have a tweet from PlanB. But first, why don't we get into the charts here? Take a look at see what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now on the daily chart is up to $47,955. It looks like it's trying to pump a little bit. On the 4-hour chart, we can see we've had a nice downtrend in the last 3 days. We've had a downtrend, and looks like we're trying to make that recovery from that right now. RSI is looking good on the 4-hour chart, same on the daily chart, so we obviously have room to run. We'll talk a little bit about PlanB's tweet regarding this. Kind of fascinating how well he's predicted something. So we'll look into that. Dogecoin is bouncing off of the 50-day moving average right now. It's at 27 cents, and it is looking like it's wanting to go up again. We'll keep an eye on it as well. We've had a bounce here, and we almost had a bounce here off the 50 as well on the 4-hour chart. So that's good news. We're not going below it. We're going bouncing above it. To me, that's a bullish sign, so we'll keep an eye on it. Stellar actually went below the 200-day moving, and hit the 50-day moving average, and it bounced. So that is a good sign as well. We didn't go below it. We tested it, went above it. Good sign on the 4-hour chart. You can see it here on the daily chart as well. So last time it bounced above the 50-day moving chart average, it went up, and it's been bouncing off the 200, and now it's touched the 50-day again and bouncing up. All good news to me for that part. Litecoin is also touching the 200-day moving average at 166. It's now at 173, and it looks like it's going to be bouncing as well. So there's looks like a lot of testing of the market right now, and things are looking to recover going forward into September. Sia coin, as anybody's interested, is at less than 2 cents right now. Cardano is up to 286 right now. It is looks like it's wanting to pump right now on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we've had 3 straight 4-hour charts that closed in the green. That's a good sign. Last time we had it here, we had a nice pump up. We had a pump up, so looks like we're heading for another pump up. We could retest the $3 mark and see if we can cross it. That is looking good to me. If you don't have Cardano, I think there's a lot of positive things for it, so something you may want to take a look at. Not financial advice, but take a look at it. Ethereum is breaking out of our little triangle here, or not triangle, but the pattern that we've been in lately in the last couple of days since August 21st, or August 12th, sorry. So we've been in this for like 2 weeks where we've just been bouncing between these bars here, and we're finally breaking above it, which is very bullish to me. It's a good sign. Let's take a look at the daily here. So here's the daily on it. And you can clearly see that we're bouncing above it. As long as we can close above this line here, the resistance line, we're heading to pretty much new highs with this in the coming days and weeks. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. So Ethereum is at 3,436 right now, so it's obviously pumping good. We've crossed that 3,300 mark, and we're heading higher. Now let's look at the mining stocks. So Hive pre-market is at 317, went up a little bit yesterday, went up at 1.6% on the day. Not much news from Hive right now. Marathon is up to 40.54. It's down a little bit. It's down 78 cents in the pre-market, and it went up less than 1% yesterday. Bitfarms is down in the pre-market 3 cents to 5.93. It was up 0.5% yesterday. Riot right now is at 37.22 in the pre-market, down 48 cents, and it was down 2.26% yesterday. HUT, the only exception right now, is that was bouncing. Yesterday it was up almost 1% at 6.98%. It is now down 1 cent to 8.27. So obviously people are getting wind of HUT, and they're obviously putting their money into it. I think HUT is still undervalued at this price. I do have a video coming out either today or tomorrow. It should be out and live about comparing all of these mining companies, HUT, Hive, Mara, Bitfarms, Riot, and HUT, and looking to see which one is the most undervalued and which one is closely fair valued to what their earning potential is. So stay tuned for that. And then we have Coinbase. Coinbase is down in the pre-market 6 cents to $256.15. Let's take a look at the crypto market. Market cap right now, let's update this. And we are at $2.188 trillion. Bitcoin's the number one, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance. So we're seeing Bitcoin's up 1.2%, Ethereum up 3% so far. Cardano up almost 2%. Bitcoin, Binance Coin is up 1.6%. Market cap between Cardano and Binance, they've been battling it for number 3 spot. Cardano's at 91 billion, and Binance is at 72 billion. Who else do we have here? XRP is up 1.8%, and Dogecoin is up 1.7%. Solana is up 1.6%, and it is up 60% in the last 7 days. I got to do some more research on Solana, see what I think about it, but it's at 35 billion right now market cap. So if it wants to reach Ethereum's market cap, which it looks like broke 402 billion, it has 10x to go. So a lot of potential for Solana, it looks like. And then Polkadot is up 4%, and USD coin is at nothing. Okay, let's get into the stories here. So is a Bitcoin price double bubble imminent? With the Bitcoin price hovering near 50,000, it appears that 2013 style double bubble is in the cards. With the price of Bitcoin hovering near 50,000, momentum has returned to the market and strong hands have accumulated more Bitcoin than ever. A 2013 style double bubble is in the cards. So this is the chart of 2013. We went down 75%, and then from that we went up almost, we went up 1,750% on that, from that bottom. So are we looking to do the same thing where we had 66,000 this year, we went down to 37,000, something like that, 34,000, now we're back up to close to 50,000. So are we going back up, obviously to 200,000 or 150,000? Looks like it is going to possibly happen. The 2013 cycle saw the price of Bitcoin draw down 75 from its highs before rallying a staggering 1,750% in less than 6 months. We aren't suggesting that the rally will occur again with the same performance, but rather an explosive double bubble within the traditional 4-year boom and bust cycle. The market has gone through quite a similar cycle compared to 2013 as well, with an initial parabolic run up, a large amount of coins being liquid and before an aggressive reaccumulation and parabolic run up. So this is 2013's liquid supply changes, and green is obviously accumulation, people aggressively accumulating, red is selling, and we saw the price obviously go up before. We're seeing the same thing this time around. If Bitcoin continues to transfer to strong hands at the current pace, a parabolic run will commence that most in the world cannot fathom. Bitcoin at nearly a 1 trillion asset today can elevate to 5 trillion asset in 2022 with relative ease. After all, $1 of capital that flows into Bitcoin adds far more than just $1 of market cap to the asset, and during a bull market, when most market participants are holding, the market value to realize value of Bitcoin explodes upwards. If 1% of capital flows out of global debt funds into Bitcoin as a safe haven, as the global economy experiences massive supply chain disruptions, causing rising prices across the board. So if we go up to 5 trillion, that's 5x from where we are right now. So say we're at 50,000, 5x, that's $250,000 within the next 6 months to whatever, 6 to 12 months. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm definitely rooting for that to happen. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you see that foreshadowing? I personally think that is definitely possible. The probability of that happening is higher than the probability of it going down to 0. So next story, Mark Cuban pushes for Dogecoin payments with new incentives. Dogecoin payments remain a major part of Dallas Mavericks payment options. The professional basketball team owner by Mark Cuban had begun accepting Dogecoin payments in March, making them the first NBA team to start accepting Doge payments. Cuban had later said that Doge payments had seen a 550% increase just after the first month, adding that the team did not plan to sell any Doge it had received. So Mark Cuban is hodling Doge. All right. Here's a tweet from Mark Cuban. FYI, the Mavs sales in Dogecoin have increased 550% over the past month. We have now sold more than $122,000 in Doge in merchandise. We will never sell one single Doge ever. So keep buying. So excellent pump by Mark here. Now they're also running a promotion. Get a $25 gift card for paying with Doge. Now to further promote the use of Dogecoin on their website, Cuban has announced an incentive program. The program is a cashback program of the sorts that rewards the fans for purchases on the Dallas Mavericks online store. The promotion is part of Doge Mania's promotion that is currently being run by the Mavericks. This promotion is scheduled to run from August 13th to September 20th. So if you're a Mavs fan, you got Dogecoin, you want to spend a little bit of it, you got until then. So the deal is you got to spend $125 in merchandise. Oh, no. You got to spend on purchase of $150 or more, and you get a $25 gift card when paying with Dogecoin. Participants in Dogecoin will see buyers get $25 gift card for purchase of $150 made on the store. These purchases could range from Dallas Mavericks to tickets for the suites and lower level tickets to their games. One caveat of this was it did not apply to multiple purchases spread over to make $150 to be eligible. Fans would have to make a single purchase totaling $150 before taxes and shipping. The gift card would then be mailed within 5 to 7 business days of the purchase. Only payments which are carried out using Doge are eligible for the $25 gift card. Other modes of payment do not carry this incentive. So basically, again, what is that? Almost 30% off on something. You're getting $25 back on $150. And then here's Mark. Mark's tweet is right here. You know you want to. Mavs.com is ready for you. It's Doge Mania. So very cool. I think that's very positive. Obviously, it's good for Doge. It's obviously good for Mark Cuban promoting his Mavericks. It's a win-win for everybody on that one. And then finally, we have just PlanB. So PlanB tweeted back in, when was this? Back in June 20th. Bitcoin is below 34K, triggered by Elon Musk energy FUD and China's mining crackdown. There is also more fundamental reason that we see weakness in June and possibly in July. My worst case scenario for 2021 price on-chain based is August greater than 47,000. Where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin right now is at 47,853. So we are above 47,000, just barely, but we are. August 47th, September, we could go down to 43K, and then October we should be greater than 63K, November greater than 98K, and December 135K. So he just tweeted earlier this morning, will August indeed close above 47,000? Fingers crossed. By the way, these are worst case floor estimates. Do not worry about September 43K. My base case prediction is based on stock to flow 100K. I use the floor stuff for options. So there you have it. Some good news here. Obviously, it looks like, obviously PlanB was right on this. We are seeing the Bitcoin get to 47K. We're staying above it for right now. We'll see how the day ends. But if we finish the month at above 47K, congrats to PlanB. He played that very well as far as what the stock price is going to be, stock to flow. And then Mark Cuban, obviously, congrats to him with the Dogecoin. And then the Bitcoin double bubble. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys see this happening? And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So let me know down in the comments as far as, do you think Bitcoin is going to do a double bubble? It looks like it is right now by all the metrics. Dogecoin, where do you see Dogecoin going? And then obviously PlanB, what do you think about PlanB's thoughts of 135,000 by the end of the year in some of his tweets that he's talking about stock to flow on-chain analysis. Also, there's a video coming out, like I spoke earlier, about Hive, Mara, Riot, Bitfarms, and Hot 8, comparing all of them to see which one is the most undervalued and which one is the closest valued right now to where it should be. That'll be dropping either today or tomorrow sometime. I got to get that done. I'm almost done. And that's it. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Hit this like button as well. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. I do appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.